Today we are going to show you how to make an animated timeline slide in Microsoft PowerPoint like this way. This is an amazing timeline slide. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Now let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Now let me go to design, go to format background, go to solid fill, make it this fill color. Now let me zoom out by holding the control key and the scroll button. Let me go to insert, go to shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Change the shape fill color to this fill color. Now again go to insert, go to shapes, pick a oval shape, holding the shift key and drag it like this and place it like this. Now again go to shapes, pick a hollow shape and drag it over here like this, resize it and place it this way. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate, resize it. Now select this one and this one. Go to align, align center, align middle. Select this one, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. Go to rotate, rotate right, place it like this and click on this shape. Go to shape format, change the width to 1.5 inch and place it like this. Click on right button, send to back. Again go to shapes, pick a arc shape by holding the shift key, drag it like this and rotate it and place it and make it this kind. Resize it by holding the shift key. Go to shape outline, go to white, change the white to this PT and make it this kind. Click on right button and send it to back. Now select this shape, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this and resize it. Go to shape format, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to insert, go to shapes, pick a text box and drag it like this. Write some sample, the milestone. Select the font, go to font and change it to Arial and go to shape format, go to shape outline, select this outline, go to home and make it center. Now again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this, resize it, write the year here, change the font to Arial, make it bold, make it bigger, shape format, shape outline, make it no outline and place it like this. Now select all of this shape, press the Ctrl and Alt key and make a copy and place it like this. Move the text box here and keep it here. Place the rectangle here and keep the text box here and move the oval shape here and select the arc, rotate it and place it like this and select this text box and place it like this. Change it to 2019. Now select this one, send it to back. Now select all of this text, press Ctrl and Alt key and move it here and place it like this. Select this one, send it to back, press Ctrl D to make a duplicate and place it here like this. Now select all of this shape, press Ctrl Enter and make a copy and place it here. Select this one, press Ctrl Alter and make a copy and place it like this. Move it and place it like this. Select this one and send it to back. Select this one, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it like this and place it here. Click on this one, click on send it to back. Now I have to change the year. Now I have to change the color. Let me select this one, go to shape outline, make it this outline. Select this one, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, click on eyedropper and select this color. Again select this one, go to shape outline, click on eyedropper, select this color. Select this one, go to shape outline, make it no outline, shape fill, eyedropper, this color. Now I have to select this one and this one and this one and this one. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color, this one, go to home, go to the text color, eyedropper, this color, select this one, go to shape format, shape outline, make it no outline, this one shape outline, no outline, this one shape outline, click this outline. Now I am doing the same work for every milestone. Now our milestone slide is ready. Now we have to add some animation. Let me select this one, go to animation, click on add animation, click on wipe, effect option from left, then select this one, click on add animation, click on zoom, on click start after previous, select this one, go to add animation, click on zoom, start after previous, select this one, go to add animation, click on zoom, start after previous, select this text box, go to add animation, click on zoom, one click after previous, then select this one, add animation, click on wipe, effect option from bottom. Then let me select the arc shape, go to add animation, click on wipe, one click with previous, then select the oval shape, go to add animation, click on zoom, on click after previous, select the text box, go to add animation, click on zoom, on click after previous. Now if I watch the slideshow only on timeline, what will actually happen? Here you will find the on timeline is perfect. Now I have to apply the same animation all of this timeline. Now I will use the animation painter tool. So let me select this one, go to animation painter, select this one. Now then select this oval shape animation painter, this one, this oval shape animation painter, select this one, this hollow shape animation painter, this one, then select the text animation painter, this one, select this rectangle animation painter, this one, effect option change it to from top, then select this arc shape animation painter, this one, select this oval shape animation painter, this one, select this text box animation painter, this text box. Now let me select this one, let me change it to after previous. Now if I want to watch the slideshow, here you will see to save your time. I am making the video fast forward. Now let me watch the slideshow. Let me click on space button. Then you will see our amazing timeline slide has been created. So our timeline slide is totally ready. If you add some header here, you can select all of this shape and move it, and you can add some text here. Go to insert, go to shapes. Here you can write the timeline slide here, and you can easily add some oval shape here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.